Good morning, dear students. You know that this is a class 4th NCERT EVS book and we are reading the chapter number 2. So in the first part of the chapter, this is the second part. In the first part of the chapter, we have learned about the ears, about the different kinds of ear of the animals. Now we are going to read about the skin of the animals. And you know, as the animals have the different kinds of ear, the animals also have the different kinds of the skin too. So here what you have to do, match the animals shown here with the picture of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each animal. So watch carefully. Whose skin is this? Whose skin are there? This is a deer and this is a deer. So match this skin to the deer. This is an squirrel. This is a squirrel skin. So match this to the squirrel. This is a tiger skin. This is the skin of a tiger, so match this to the tiger. This is the skin of a leopard, so match this with the leopard. And this is the skin of a zebra, so match this with the zebra. So distance, you know that there are so many different animals, and all the animals have the different kinds of skin. You might have seen some of the animals given below: fox, elephant, sparrow, pigeon, frog, mouse, hen, crow, cat, camel, peacock, buffalo, lizard, pig, duck and cow. So put the name of the animals in the table below. You are watching that there are 4 tables and you have to classify these animals according to the heading or as directed in the heading. So here first of all you have to write the name of the animals whose ears can be seen. So I have written here whose ears can be seen. These animals are fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig and cow. Here whose animals have hair on their skin, those are fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo, pig and cow. The animals whose ears cannot be seen, these are frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard, pigeon and duck. And last, the animals who has feather on their skin. So you can say that all the birds, sorry for this inconvenience. So you can say that all the birds have feather on their skin. So I have written here the name from the list: hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, pigeon and duck. Here what you have to do, can you tell which of the animal mentioned in the list lay eggs? You have to write the name of the animals that were mentioned in the list. So you have to classify the animals who lays eggs. So find out and write the name of these animals in the green box, and which of the animals in the list give birth to babies, write their name in the red box. So we have classified the animals here. The animals who give birth to the babies, those are fox, elephant, camel, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo and cow. And the animals who lay eggs, that are frog, crow, peacock, pigeon, duck, hen, sparrow and lizard. So dear students, I want to make you understand that the animals whose ears can be seen. Listen very carefully. The animals whose ears can be seen, these animals are ears. We can see their hair. And we properly think about this. These animals always have 4 legs. The animals who have the ears that can be seen, these animals also have 4 legs. They walk on their 4 legs and mostly they give birth to the babies. And here some animals are there: frog, crow, peacock, pigeon, hen, sparrow and lizard. So I have written here these animals name because these animals lays eggs. But you know, dear students, that the birds, they have 2 legs, they have feet, the birds have feet, they have fur on their body, they have wings, and they always lays eggs. Beside this, some animals are there who has four legs, such as frog, lizard, crocodile. They have four legs, but they do not have ears. They do not have visible ears, so they lays eggs. Okay, and a bat is also come in the name of birds. So bat is also a bird, but it has visible ears. That is why it give birth to the babies. So listen carefully my speech that I have told you, and keep this in your mind properly. So I hope that you like this chapter, you understand this chapter. We will meet in the next part of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day.